This is a video by Richmond. Today we're going to be replacing an engine coolant temp sensor on a Saturn S series. I would highly recommend you stay away from the 3/8 drive, ratchet and socket to replace that sensor. It's a very delicate sensor. Go with the 1/4" drive and the 13mm deep socket. This socket right here can be had very inexpensively from AutoZone. First thing you want to do is remove the cap from the expansion tank, and now put it back on and tighten it down all the way it was before. Now, to find the engine coolant temp sensor, find where your air box is located, and the top radiator hose is right next to it. Follow that hose all the way to the motor. And right down here below this piece right here, which is the EGR valve, right there, the end of my finger, that is the engine coolant temp sensor, right there. That's where it's located. Now, if you happen to have a early Saturn, there'll be two of them down there. Look for the one with the two wires. That's the engine coolant temp sensor. The one with the one wire is for the gauge. So look for the one with the two wires. That's the one we want to replace. Okay, now we have to remove the connector from the sensor. Now, if you look right down here, the black part of the sensor, there is some little knurls on it. That's the place you're going to squeeze with your fingers on both sides of the connector. You can use your thumb and your index finger and just squeeze that together and pull back on the connector. And there it is. Now pay close attention to the inside of the connector. You don't want to see any green corrosion in there. It's very common that these sensors, when they fail, will put coolant in the sensor and corrode the connection. You can see that this one right here has already been replaced. So look for that when you take the connector off. Okay, now we can remove our sensor. And a little coolant will come out, but not much. And there she is. Now, when you put your new sensor in, either put some tape, Teflon tape on the threads here, or put some pipe sealant on there. And then start the sensor by hand. Okay, now here's the important part. You don't want to over tighten it. And that's as tight as you need to be. Now, put your connector back on. That's it. And double check your coolant You might have lost a little bit. And that's it. You've just changed your engine coolant temp sensor on your Saturn S series.